The testing of millions of people in Shijiazhuang in such a short period of time was achieved with the help of both paid staff and volunteers. CGTN's Zheng Chunying tells us more about this huge undertaking and what's being done to make sure residents have adequate supplies of food.
Over 10 million residents were tested in just 3 days. That was made possible by community staff and volunteers. Residents in this community help with logistics and registration, maintaining order and disinfection.
The community staff have to work until midnight. They must be exhausted, so I'm ready to help as much as I can.
354 people tested positive in the first round of testing, and a second round will start soon. Meanwhile, the city is telling residents to stay at home for 7 more days. They were a bit disgruntled about being unable to order food deliveries, which were temporarily suspended. But residents are now able to receive a delivery and purchase of fresh produce. At a media briefing on the outbreak on Saturday, Deputy Mayor Jiang Wenhong said the local government is taking action to ensure the supply of daily necessities. He said there were sufficient supplies of vegetables, flour, rice, and oil.
To increase market supply and stabilize the prices of some commodities, we have organized 70 supermarkets in the city to offer favorable prices for 3 storable vegetables: cabbage, potatoes, and onions. 10 supermarkets have promised to keep prices unchanged and maintain sufficient supplies with good quality.
In addition, the city has organized dozens of supermarkets, more than 400 convenience stores to distribute daily necessities to all communities citywide. To avoid infections through contact between people, many neighborhoods in the city have installed smart machines to sell vegetables. Residents can use the machines to buy daily necessities without leaving their neighborhoods, and the machines are refueled 3 times a day by people who have negative test results.
We have strictly implemented purchase requirements at Chaoxi Vegetable Wholesale Market. The vegetables are sterilized before being delivered to the vending machines by our staff.
The government says prices will not be allowed to skyrocket, and home is the safest place to be. Zheng Chunying, CGTN.